Hi everyone, I'm Brent Peak. I'm the product specialist and the regional sales manager for SEPPi USA. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to hook up our forestry mulcher to a compact skid loader. First and most important is safety. Ensure your loader is equipped with a bulletproof windshield to protect the operator. Start by hooking your forestry mulcher to your quick attach. Make sure that your safety pins are locked firmly in place. Then start by hooking up your 3 hoses to your loader. Ensure that your hose makes a smooth S-curve and your hoses are long enough to avoid ripping off the coupler. If you had selected the option of a front hood, most loaders require an electrical connection to control the opening and closing via an electric valve. Connect the electrical plug to the loader. SEPPi can supply specific wiring for different loader brands. Congratulations, you have now hooked your forestry mulcher to your loader. I'm going to show you how easy it is to tune it. First and most important, we must check the rotation speed of our rotor. If this is correct, most of the job is complete. To do this, we will be using a laser tachometer, as you see here. You can acquire this through SEPPi or any industrial tool shop. Then you will place a reflective sticker on the shaft. Now measure the speed of the rotor shaft while asking somebody to power up the mulcher at full throttle. If you don't get the expected flow, please make sure the high flow is turned on your loader. You can set the speed by adjusting a set screw on the motor. Spin the set screw inward to reduce the rotor speed. Spin the set screw outward to increase the rotor speed. In our operator's manual, we have the recommended rotational speed for this model. For this model, the MINIFORST CL, we recommend 2100 to 2300 RPM. On low flow machines, around 20 gallons per minute, it is recommended you swap the pulleys first and leave the fine tuning for later. Thanks to our M-Boost technology, we are known to have some of the fastest recovery speeds on the market. Once you have the RPM set, you will need to adjust the shifting pressure. The shifting pressure should be around 80% of your maximum working pressure. To measure maximum working pressure, we suggest disconnecting the return line to have a dead end, which raises the system pressure to the maximum. This can be read on the main pressure gauge installed on the mulcher. It means that if you have a maximum system pressure of 4,000 psi, the shifting pressure should be around 3,200 psi. From the factory, the shifting pressure is set to 3,200 psi. To check the shift pressure, a second pressure gauge must be installed on port X1. You should have both pressure gauges next to each other to be able to record them on video. Now, with the engine set in idling speed, the system must be pressurized. The moment when the added pressure gauge starts to read is the moment the motor shifts. With the bare eye, this is difficult to catch, so we suggest recording it on video. The video can be slowly rewound until the shift moment is found. The setting of the shift pressure is the pressure indicated on the original pressure gauge in this exact moment. If the shift pressure is different from 80%, adjust the set screw Z. Tighten in order to raise pressure and loosen in order to reduce pressure. Once you have this set, you're good to go. Have fun mulching with your SEPPi MINIFORST CL, and please don't forget, put a thumbs up on our social media.